Today, I will show you how to create and launch our documentation site with One CLI in just 1 minute. After installing One CLI, open the template page. Here you can see several built-in template series. We will choose the documentation site template. Click the copy button on the template card. After confirming everything looks good, click copy command. Then go back to the terminal. Paste the command and run it. When you see this, the project has been generated successfully. Next, enter the project directory and install the dependencies. You can run pnpm install. After the installation is complete, run this command from the workspace root. You can run one dep. One CLI will read the one.manifest.json build, find the setup command, and launch the documentation site. Finally, open the address shown in the terminal, and the documentation site is now running successfully.